In this video, I am going to show you how to add B-roll in Opus Clip. Let's get started. First, go to your dashboard and select the short clip you want to edit. Click Add B-roll to open the editor. Once the editor opens, you will see a few options. You can upload your own B-roll, auto-generate AI B-roll, auto-generate stock B-roll, or use prompt B-roll. If you choose to upload your own B-roll, simply select the file from your device and insert it into the timeline. If you select auto-generate AI B-roll, the system will analyze your script and automatically add relevant visuals. If you choose auto-generate stock B-roll, it will pull clips from the built-in stock library and place them into your video. You can also use prompt B-roll by typing a custom description of the footage you want. The AI will generate or select visuals based on your prompt. After selecting your preferred option, the B-roll will automatically be added to the timeline. You can then adjust the timing, trim clips, and preview your changes before exporting. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.